Hey there, welcome again in my video. And today we discuss about what is programming language. So today we deeply define that what is a programming language. As we know that this is the age of the AI and the technology, and in all type of the technologies devices there may use of the programming language. So define probably a programming language issues a series of commands that helps the computers, mobile phones, tablets and other electronic devices functions as instant and performs the various tasks. There are many types of programming languages, and the correct one must be chosen based on the philosophy and the objectives of a particular device on a program. There, as we know that every program is based on a particular tasks. Every machine, every robot can task a particular work, and for this particular work, there needs a particular command, and for the particular command, there need a particular programming language. As well, this is simple. So in the articles we will be explored a range of programming language that be features that diagnostics that one of the form others. We will also examine the importance of the programming language in the field of integrations. That's the definition is properly what is a programming language. So a programming language, as we defined already, is a set of grammatical rules, both the synthesis and the synthematics, that instructs a computer or a device to behave in a certain ways. There, this machine behaves in the certain ways. Each programming language has a vocabulary, a unique set of keywords that follows to special and the spatial syntax to form of organics and organized computer instructions. So before we continue, you get that miss post and programming language you should be learn. Difference between the natural language and the programming language. This is an important question. This is an important topic between if we define a programming language that may not be as far if we not define natural language. So we deeply difference find the difference between the natural language and the programming language. So natural languages are spoken by the peoples, while the programming languages are intended by the machines. These intended machines both languages contains the important similarities, such as the differentiation that makes between the syntax and the semantics by the existence and the base of the composition. Essentially, the two types were created that communicate ideas, expressions, and also the instructions. While there are survival and too much, while that deeply the points common between them. It is the similarities and some common points. It is also possible in some of their difference. So the identify and the difference between the natural language and the programming language are such and more. Some are to here. A natural language. A natural language ambiguous humans beings have the ability to clarify the meaning of an expression. The bold is there. This is a able is in the redundancy of the human's language allows some the ability to the resolve using context. Also, the programming a programming language is a strict and less large. The computers are very precise about the instructions that like or receive. Therefore, programming a language have a particularity no reductionally and no prevently by the ability that issues in the common commands. Term differ from other one is another we discussed today is that is open or and allow the observations without the risks and making risks in the programming language are closed and the fixed to avoid confusions and the mistakes. Yeah, there, as we know that humans create some mistakes, some detections, but machines not make detections, not make machine mistakes, because it's work fluently and continuously. So I hope that you get deeply informed by the natural language and also programming language. What is programming language? So thanks for watching our video and thanks a lot.